everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Today I am sharing a Happy Mail swap that I am doing with Ginger over at Ginger Crafts Plans Beauty. I will link her channel down below. We just decided, I reached out to her to see if she would be interested in doing a swap. She agreed. We kind of discussed some things that we liked, and yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you the projects that I'm going to be sending her way. So the first thing that I did was I created this pocket letter, and it's a summer theme. I used the Echo Park Summer Fun collection, and I just, decorated one of the baseball card sleeves. And Ginger, just so you know, like these embellishments that I've made on the cards, I've made them so you could just pull them off and the back parts will still be sticky, so you could reuse them in, some of your future projects, or, for Happy Mail that you're going to be sending out to someone else. So yeah, I'll just do a quick, I know it's going to glare because it's in a pocket sleeve, but I just decorated each pocket, and I've included some of my DoubleClickConnect dewdrops in there in the middle one. And yeah, this paper is so summer fun. I love all the colors on it. And then I'm not really good at making like dangles or charms, but I just used one of those pair pins and stuck on this flamingo and this little tassel that kind of matched the paper. And I am including goodies on the back of this. What I did was I just used some baggies to keep everything contained, because I didn't think I'd be able to fold this to keep it all inside. So what I'm going to do is stuff this and get it ready to mail. So let's go ahead and get going on that one. First, I think what I'm going to do is show everything that's going in these, and then I'll fast forward putting the stuff inside. So I'm going to be sharing a selection of tags in one of them, some different beads, pearls, some flowers, some wood chips, a couple different kinds of little clothespins, a selection of cute buttons, and a package of little bow clips. She does plan, so hopefully she can use some of these in her planner. All right, let's go ahead and try and get these packages inside the back of the pocket letter.
It's gonna be tough.
Alrighty, there we go. Everything fit, but it's super thick. So I think what I'm gonna do is just wrap it flat. Now, normally I would want to like decorate this package, but we agreed on this flat bubble mailer, which costs $9.65 to mail. And I think it's going to be a pretty tight fit, so I think I'm not going to decorate the outside, just to make sure I can actually fit all of the things that I want to fit in here. So I'm just going to very carefully slide that in, and that actually fits in there like really well. Okay, so I'm gonna set that aside, and along with the pocket letter, I did make some handmade embellishments using the same collection, just so that she has some extra goodies. If she wants to like reuse the pocket letter and send it to someone else, she can have some extra embellishments for that project. So I'm sending her those. And then these are just some summer die cuts that I've had in my stash, and I thought they went really good with this collection, so I'm sending her a set of these. And then I'm also sending her a bunch of different postcards. These are super cute to add to like your journals and like for your summer bucket list. So I'm going to go ahead and send her a package as that as well. I'm going to set that aside, and I'm going to try and package the envelope with the rest of the stuff later. Okay, so in this clear sleeve, what I have in here, I'm going to take it out of the plastic, is a bunch of different kind of baggies and envelopes so that she can use them in her projects, or she could use them for her happy mail, her outgoing happy mail. So just a whole bunch of different kinds of, these are some flat bags. And hopefully she will be able to put these to good use. And then some of these cellophane bags for her happy mail and projects. And some little ones. And some nice thicker zip top ones. And then a bunch of these super cute with the flat bottom bags in a bunch of different colors and designs. And some of these cellophane ones, and these clear cellophane, like I think these are like 4x4 size, and this really pretty vellum one, and this brown one. So I'm going to go ahead and repackage this. This is just backing to keep the envelope flat. All right, there we go. And then I'm just going to seal this bag closed so it doesn't fall out in the package. Great, there we go. There's that one. Okay, and then I asked her if she used Project Life cards, and she said that she did, and she did not have two of the new sets that I've recently picked up. So this is the Charming Edition, the Project Life, and I shared so 1 to 2 cards of the big ones, depending on how many the original kit had, and at least 2 of all of the small cards. So this is pretty much the entire set of the Charming Edition. So I'm sending her this set, as well as this is the Dreamy Edition. This set was so pretty. I loved the muted tones on this, and I've already packaged these up, but it's the same. At least 1 of the large cards and at least 2 of the smaller ones. So she's getting these in her package, and actually these are going to fit on the bottom. So I'm going to see about sliding them in on top of each other. I think they will stick up pretty well there. Okay. And I think I'm going to slide the envelopes and bags in front. And these embellishments and those embellishments. Okay, it's looking good. It's looking good. Okay, on to the next project. So she's a planner, and so I have this really cute clear pencil case, and what I've done is I have tons of planning things, And there's just certain like stickers that I don't use, and I don't like plan like a regular planner. So I'm hoping that she will be able to use some of these planner stickers. There's a bunch of different sets and mixed collections, and hopefully she will be able to mix these in with her existing stash to put them to good use. These are just, I don't plan this kind of planning. And then here's some Bible journaling planner stickers, and I think she will appreciate them because I've seen some of her her journaling videos. So yeah, a couple of those. And then I have this Pink Fresh Studio planner set. It's new. I've never used it. It has like the little icons, the to-dos, and some stickers. So hopefully she'll put that to good use. And then I also have this one from White Deer Stationery. It's a complete planner kit. I know I'm not going to use something like, I wouldn't use this. So hopefully she will enjoy that set, and she doesn't have it already. And I'm just keeping it in this case to hopefully prevent them from getting like wrinkled while in transit. And these fit in here just perfectly. All right, and look at how like perfect those fit in there. And zip it up, and it's just in this cute case that hopefully she can reuse. And so I am going to go ahead and slip, getting a little tight in there, but I think all right, that's fitting. Pretty heavy duty. Okay, and then the last thing that I'm sending her is I just have some of these spare tubes that have some confetti mixes in them, so I'm sticking them in this little bag. And I have a super cute vanilla chapstick that I'm also going to be sending her, and it's just in this bag because I knew that the only space I would have would be like right on top there. And perfect. That envelope is filled to the top. It's packed full. And the only thing that I'm going to add to this is my note and letter to her. And if I can find anything small that I come across before I get this mailed out that I could like wedge in these little spots. Okay guys, well that's my Happy Mail share. Ginger, I hope you enjoy your Happy Mail and you could put the items to good use. And if not, I hope you could pass them along to someone else. I hope you guys enjoy. Have a great day. Bye guys.